You are watching tomorrow's classrooms today. Lesson 9, Mastering Standard English, Understanding and Avoiding Double Negatives. Understanding double negatives is important for anyone looking to master standard English grammar and usage. In standard English, double negatives are typically avoided because they can cause confusion and may convey an unintended meaning. Here's a breakdown of what you need to know about double negatives. First of all, the definition of double negative. A double negative occurs when two negative elements are used in the same clause. In many languages, double negatives can intensify the negation. That is, they are used to make a statement even more negative. However, in standard English, double negatives often inadvertently lead to a positive meaning, which can confuse the listener or reader. Let's look at an example of double negatives. Incorrect, non-standard, she isn't going nowhere. Standard alternative, she isn't going anywhere, or she is going nowhere. How do double negatives work? In non-standard forms of English, such as in certain dialects or colloquial speech, double negatives are used for emphasis and are understood as reinforcing the negation. For example, saying, I didn't see nobody in non-standard dialects means I didn't see anybody at all. However, in standard English, this sentence could be misinterpreted to mean I saw somebody because the two negatives didn't and nobody could cancel each other out, leading to a logical interpretation of a positive. Let's look at another example. Double negative, I don't need no help. Single negative, I don't need any help, or I need no help. No negative, I need help. Let's look at the standard English conventions associated with double negatives. Avoid using two negative forms together unless you intend to negate each other and create a positive meaning, which is rare and often context specific in formal settings. Use negative constructions carefully. When expressing negation, use only one negative word or phrase per clause. Understand common negative words and phrases such as not, no, none, nobody, nothing, neither, never, and nowhere. How do we correct double negatives? If you find yourself using a double negative, you can correct it by replacing one of the negative words with the positive equivalent. For example, change I cannot get no satisfaction to I cannot get any satisfaction. Dropping one of the negative elements, for example, they didn't do nothing becomes they did nothing or they didn't do anything. And why double negatives matter? Adhering to standard English conventions in formal writing and speech is crucial for clear and professional communication. It ensures that your meaning is understood as intended and that your language meets the expectations of formal or academic environments. Understanding and avoiding double negatives is a key aspect of mastering English grammar, contributing to clearer, more effective communication. I hope this clarification aids your understanding of double negatives. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos.